This is just a quick tutorial on the search engine site DuckDuckGo.com. Searching in DuckDuckGo is 100% anonymous. It is completely devoid of spam and shows results without advertisements all over to distract the user. So instead of pop-up ads and links to shopping sites, DuckDuckGo leads you to primary sources. It is safe for students as DuckDuckGo does not track any user at any time. The first thing I'd like to show you is up in the upper right hand corner, there's this little box here. I'm going to click on Tour and click on Take a Tour. I highly recommend this. It goes into more features of DuckDuckGo that we'll have time during this tutorial to investigate. I'm going to show you just a few quick tricks that your students should love on DuckDuckGo. I know sometimes you ask your students to do an inquiry on a topic. We'll say erosion. But you say, please, nothing from Wikipedia. All they have to do to eliminate that from their results is just type $ and then Wikipedia. And as you can see, none of their results are from Wikipedia. Another quick trick is that if you want them to limit their search to just very specific sites, so you can type the topic. So say you're working on economics, and you want to learn about budgets. So you just type the word budget, and you want to limit to sites. So I'm going to limit this to WashingtonPost.com and fcps.edu. You notice there is no space here. And as you can see, all of the results are from those two sites and those two sites alone. And say you would like your students to limit their search to just very specific site types such as .edu. So we'll say we're going to do another search on erosion, but we want to just get results from sites that have the .edu extension. And as you can see, all of the results are edu sites. Another one is if you want just very specific file types to show up in your results, say just PDF files. So you're doing a search on acid rain, and you want just PDF files. As you can see, this F:PDF would give you just PDF files in your search results. And lastly, I'm going to talk to you about more shortcuts in DuckDuckGo. They call them iBangs, which is an exclamation point, and they have all sorts of different ones going with them. Exclamation point M takes you to Google Maps. So say we want to do a search for, we're doing Mount St. Helens. We want to see what Mount St. Helens looks like on Google Earth. So we just takes you right to Google Maps, and there's the picture of Mount St. Helens for them. Lots more iBangs are available, and you can learn more about that in the tour. This quick DuckDuckGo tutorial was presented via Screencast-O-Matic.